Hello and welcome, this is TMR136 iOrder. Today I'm bringing you a different video of the two sets that got me into Lego. One's an old set and one's this year's set. So come out beginning of the year, the second set I'm going to show you. But this one, I put it away 6 years ago, so I didn't lose it, and then totally forgot it even existed. Now this is the Speed Champions 458 Italia GT2. Set number is 75908. I paid, if I remember rightly, I paid about £20. Oh, excuse me. Now, don't quote me on it, I can't quite fully remember the price. So, here's the car, the 458 Italia GT2. The car that got me into Lego 6 years ago, but I never brought any more up until this year, when I started getting into Lego and watching all the other YouTubers doing it. And now this set, I can't remember how long it took me to build, but the cool things I do like about it, obviously all four wheels turn and that, but is this printed piece. Now how it's printed, it looks good. It is showing its bit of its age now. There's a slight hairline crack there. I don't know if that's picking it up very well. Well, I do wish from 6 years ago, when this set first released, is I do wish that this print would have carried on along here. Just try and cut down on a bit of the stickers and that, because I think that seeing the engine, that would have looked a lot better if it was printed onto that piece rather than being a sticker. But saying that, what a cracking set this is for its age, and it's not really taking a battering. It looks all, no chips, no knocks, hardly any knocks or chips. Well, yeah, so here we go. It's just going to be a short video. I'll show you the set, this year's set, what got me back into Lego full time. So here's the little guy, minifig, if it's a guy. Yeah, it looks like a guy. So bit of a cheeky smile there. Nice bit of print on the front and back, holding his cup. There he is with his helmet on. So I'm surprised they've got the spare pieces. I'm surprised that they actually survived. Well, I've got a spare visor, I've got the wrench, and a few miscellaneous pieces that come with it. So like 1x1 square piece, a slanted piece, some grey 1x1 studs, and so on. Well, what amazed me is it's survived. Let's put him back in his car where he belongs. Let's put his trophy there, so he looks like he's just won his trophy. Yeah, oh, cracking set for an old set anyway. I'm not sure, I don't know if you can still get this. No, I don't think you will be, because it's 6 years old. So yeah, I believe it's retired. I could be wrong, somebody out there will be able to tell me. So let's push all that to one side. So here's the set what got me back into Lego. When I seen this set, beginning the end of last year when I seen it. Was it end of last year? Yeah, end of last year. I seen it. Being obviously it was. I seen it pop up on people's videos and stuff like that, and on social media. Well, this is the 2021 skid steer that got me back into Lego and building. Some cool features. The arms go up. Now, I paid originally for this set about 10 quid, I think it was. But I'll do a better video on that. And it's bits. But yeah, this is the little set that got me back into it. So I'm TML136. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember, drop a comment. I'll always reply. Give us a big thumbs up. I'm going to set a challenge for this video, as short as it is. The like goal is going to be 150 likes. Now, I reckon you can smash this out of the park. So yeah, catch you on the flip side.